social media feed is probably a minefield of miracle cures for the summer heat right now. You see these sleek, tiny boxes promise to turn a sweltering bedroom into an Arctic tundra for pennies. It sounds like a dream. But the reality behind the Selnivo air conditioner is a lot more lukewarm. We have to look at the physics here because the marketing is working overtime to hide the truth. If you see a video claiming a device the size of a lunchbox can cool an entire room in seconds, your alarm bells should be ringing. These companies are very clever. They use words like revolutionary and breakthrough to distract you from one simple fact. This thing is not an air conditioner. A real air conditioner is a heavy piece of machinery. It uses a compressor. It uses chemical refrigerants. It literally pulls heat out of your air and pumps it outside through a hose or a window unit. If there is no hose, where is the heat going? It has to go somewhere. The Selnivo is actually what we call an evaporative cooler. It is a fan blowing over a wet filter or a small tank of water. Sure, that feels nice if it is pointed directly at your face, but it will never, ever lower the temperature of a room. In fact, if you live somewhere humid, it might actually make you feel more miserable by pumping even more moisture into the air. The marketing for these gadgets has become a bizarre landscape of AI-generated voices and fake testimonials. You might notice the same scripts being read by different people across 10 different brands. It is all the same generic plastic hardware with a different logo slapped on the front. They show these polished, over-edited videos where a digital thermometer drops 20 degrees in a heartbeat. That is just movie magic, not science. Now, does that mean the product is a total scam? Not in the legal sense. You will likely receive a physical object in the mail. It will probably turn on. It will blow air. But the scam lives in the gap between what they promise and what you actually get. You are paying a premium price for a glorified desk fan. If you go into this expecting to save hundreds on your electric bill while your central air stays off, you are going to be disappointed. You might even find yourself stuck with a product that is nearly impossible to return once you realize it does not work as advertised. These companies pop up, sell thousands of units through aggressive ads, and then vanish or rebrand when the negative reviews catch up. It is a cycle of hype and letdown. If you just want a little breeze while you sit at your computer, it might do the trick. But call it what it is. It is a fan with a water bucket. It is not a cooling revolution. It is just another clever piece of internet marketing designed to catch you when you are hot, tired, and looking for a cheap fix. Always look for the vent. If it does not have a way to get the heat out of the house, it is just moving hot air around in circles. This product is basically a swamp cooler. They have been around for decades. There's nothing high-tech about them. They work great in the desert but fail everywhere else. The ads try to make it seem like a secret invention that big power companies are hiding from you. That is a classic marketing trick to make you feel like you are getting an inside deal. In reality, you are just buying a plastic box that hums. Save your money for a real window unit or a high-quality floor fan. Don't let a slick video and a fast-talking voiceover trick you into thinking the laws of physics have changed. Stay cool, but stay smart about where you spend your hard-earned cash this summer.